Do you understand these rights?
I'm trying
You
to.
need me to read them again? I thought you were a lawyer.
I am.
I just hope I don't get
I have to make an informed decision without having any legal advice.
Correct.
I really hope I don't
I'm genuinely trying to figure out what's going on. I have to be strip shirts?
No.
What are we doing?
I'm okay.
I don't have to take off my clothes from the table.
It was around 2 in the morning on May 12, 2025, when police in Illinois found a 32-year-old woman asleep at the wheel, parked in front of a stoplight. The woman, a practicing lawyer, claimed that she had taken a Benadryl for allergies after coming into contact with a friend's cat.
I know I'm allergic to this stupid ass, dumbass cat.
And had become drowsy while driving home.
I can't believe Benadryl. Gee, I don't know what the
Police did not release footage of the initial traffic stop or the field sobriety tests, as this case is still ongoing, and doing so can legally interfere with the prosecution or integrity of an investigation.
So this time, based on everything that we see, you're going to be placed under arrest.
Are y'all
DUI, okay?
Oh my god. Okay. This is purposeful. Okay. Alright, we call someone, right?
That's all right.
This is all the video, the whole test and everything?
It's all on video.
Okay. Have you ever called my mother, right? I'm not trying to move, I'm sorry. I thought you already done.
Take 2 steps forward for me, please. Alright.
Can I ask you a question, son?
What's that?
What was the basis of the arrest?
I saw signs of impairment.
Based on your test?
Based on the totality of the circumstances.
So based on your test, you decided that it was okay? Okay.
Based on the totality of the circumstances.
So the totality of circumstances including
you.
Can I turn the car off, please?
Including it's going to be towed.
Okay.
Including you being asleep at the wheel for who knows how long.
We did a test though, right? You said you were behind me. You said you were behind me the entire time, right?
It was.
Okay. And you said based on the totality of circumstances, step back. Okay.
Your camera's on.
Yeah, I hope
You don't
so.
have anything on you?
No, sir, I don't. I just step right in here. Okay.
Huh. Well, take a sniff of that, tell me what you think.
You get there.
I don't know. No alcohol. I don't know. I don't know what Prime smells like or some of those other drinks. Yeah. It smells fruity a little bit, but not. You don't smell any alcohol? I don't smell any. Sure. I don't know. It's so hard to tell with fruity stuff. Yeah.
Kind of smells like it could be like Smirnoff or something.
Well, if you want to take it and put a PBT thing on it.
What's that?
If you want to take it and have it tested at PBT, have it do that read for alcohol.
Oh.
You can also take it and then send it off to the lab.
What's that?
I said you could also take it and send it to the lab if you think that's anything.
Just ask her that.
Look, yeah, just ask her. Well,
I don't know how to do the thing with PBT.
I do. I mean, I can take it to the post and then do it, and then we could.
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah, if that's what you want me to do, I'll do it. But if you don't want to mess with it,
If you don't mind.
All right, I can do that.
Sir, is there a reason why the officers are going through my car right now, or my mother's car?
Yeah, we have to inventory it for it to be towed.
So before it's towed, you have to go through the entire car.
Correct.
Okay. So you all are going through my phone and my purse and my ID and everything is there too as well?
Nope, I have your phone.
No, but my purse is in there, so you all are going through my purse as well? And the glove department and everything as well?
So I have your purse as well.
So you all are going, the car is still there, so are you all going to the glove departments and everything? Like what, the basis of the search? Why are you searching the car right now, sir?
It's an inventory because it's being towed.
I understand
If you went to
that.
law school, you should understand that.
Okay. I think that's why this is happening.
I think that's the number. That's not going on.
I always have milk.
I might just bring her in.
I just hope I don't get raped. I really hope I don't get raped.
What do you think it is?
I think it's probably drugs because I have no odor of
Anything?
anything. However, she had 6 kilos of HGM. So the reason I got out with her is because she sat through 4 cycles of cocaine here.
It's a passenger.
Yeah.
Nice.
Um,
Yeah, I'd have her blow. I would have her blow.
Let me pray. Lord, I want to thank you for everything you provided us with. I love you.
and so we pinned her in. That took me through the fields. She had 6 of HGM, 4 or 5 on the walking trail, and then 2,
One like same.
I think 2 on the one-leg stand.
I really hope I don't get hurt. Gene, you scared me in here.
Yeah, I would do all tests. You ask her what to do?
It's just, she took one Benadryl.
Oh.
That was it. Alright. I'm doing step out. Okay.
It wasn't on the. I thought it would not. It wouldn't let me interact with it at all.
Stop right there. Here, step right over to the phone. Okay.
Yes.
I'll lock my door.
Okay. Sir, I'm not moving anywhere. I promise.
Now, we can turn around. We're going to go in this door here, okay?
Oh, under the settings, or there's a way to do it. Body so.
What's that? Straight this way. I'm going to take a left right past these red lockers.
In here, right?
Yep.
Why I have to be strip shirts?
No.
What are we doing? Why are we going in this
This is
room?
the DUI processing. So we're going to start with some of our tests.
I don't have to take off my clothes from the table.
No. We'll see.
Crazy.
Alright, so I gotta read you this really long thing. It's called the warning to motorists, okay?
Sorry.
So I gotta read you this really long thing. It's called the warning to motorists, okay?
Okay.
If you refuse or fail to complete all chemical tests requested, and if you are a first offender, your driving privileges will be suspended for a minimum of 12 months. Or if you're not a first offender, your driving privileges will be suspended for a minimum of 3 years. If you submit to a chemical test or test disclosing an alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more, and if you're a first offender, your driving privileges will be suspended for a minimum of 12 months. Or if you're not a first offender, your driving privileges will be suspended for a minimum of 1 year. Are you a CDL holder?
No.
Are you a school bus driver?
No.
Okay.
So I understand what you're reading, but I just want to make sure what I'm supposed to be agreeing to. Can you tell me when to agree or not agree? Because I hear you, but I just don't know if I'm supposed to say yes or no after you read each statement.
You're not.
Okay.
Just have to listen to it.
Okay.
You're going to get a copy of this as well.
Gotcha.
I need to observe you for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to ask you to provide a breath sample. Okay?
Okay, so you're asking me to provide a breath sample, but you read this, I just want to understand what's going on. Sorry, I don't want to be difficult.
So I saw signs of impairment, so you've been arrested for DUI.
I understand that. No, I'm not confused on what's going on. I'm just saying, so you read the statement, you have my ID, and you're asking me to give it like a needle? Like, do I have to do a needle?
Yeah, I'm going to ask you for
I
blood,
don't want
urine,
needles.
lighter.
No, I don't like needles.
So if I take you to the hospital, you're going to refuse blood and urine?
I'm scared of needles. I can pee. I mean, I just want to understand, like, I feel like you read this, but I just understand. I just want to kind of understand, like, legally what's going on.
So legally, you're under arrest for DUI.
I understand that, but you're reading something, and then you're asking me something. So I want to understand what you're reading and what you're truly asking me, so I can be able to just tell you yes or no with a true understanding of what's truly going on.
Okay. Well, you're gonna get a copy. That's okay.
Yes, I understand that. I'm going to get a copy of that, but you want me to do something, and I just want to know what you want me to do
Okay.
legally before I actually agree to it.
In 20 minutes, I'm gonna ask you to provide a breath sample, and then after we do that, we're gonna go to the hospital. I'm gonna ask you to provide blood and urine.
Okay, and what if I say no?
Then you'll be marked as a refusal.
And what does that mean?
It means that you're.
I mean, I'm not saying, so by the way, sir, I'm not saying no, because I don't want to be marked as a refusal. I just want to know, like, what all of this is. So, I'm not saying no. I'm okay with, I'm not saying no. What I'm saying is I just want to understand. So, we're going to go to the hospital so I can get my blood drawn? And then we're going to stick a catheter in me?
No.
So, what does being marked as a refusal mean?
So if you refuse any of the chemical tests or tests that I request, it'll be marked as a refusal. So
And what does that
breath,
mean?
blood, and urine.
What does that mean? After I'm marked as a refusal, then what?
You're marked as a refusal.
What happens?
It says on here. You can read it.
Can I read it? I'm not reading it. I like to see. Those are refusal. Should I just read it all? Should I just read it all, or is there a specific part that talks about the refusal?
You can read it all if you'd like.
Can you point out where the refusal part is, or no? Right there, too?
Right
One?
there.
Okay. So if I refuse, you're just gonna just take my driving privileges away? There's no reason for me to refuse then. I don't want my driving privileges taken away for nothing. So it seems like it says if you are a first offender, but how am I an offender? I didn't do anything. Can you explain this in layman's terms?
No.
You're not able to? Well, can I call somebody so they can?
Not at this time, no.
I can't call a lawyer or anything?
You can later.
So I can't call a lawyer before I have to sign something?
You don't have to sign it.
Sir, I'm really trying to figure out what's going on now. You say I have to sign something, but I can't call a lawyer, but you want me to sign something.
I never said you have to sign it.
So I don't have to sign it? I'm genuinely trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
Can I don't know what's going on, sir. It's kind of like I'm not having my questions answered. I don't want to make you mad, but I really have questions.
You're not making me mad at all.
Okay.
Alright. Have you ever done one of these before?
Can we finish my questions? You said I still.
Well, you read the whole thing.
I know, but I didn't get an answer. What if I say, you know?
So you're
I'm not refusing, I just want to know.
Your license is going to be suspended for longer if you say no.
It's going to be automatically suspended if I just say no?
It's going to be automatically suspended regardless, but if you say no, it's going to be suspended for longer.
My license already suspended?
And
Didn't even do
I'll
anything.
explain that to you here in a few minutes, but
Okay, I want to listen. I just want to understand what. So my license is already suspended.
now is not the time for me to explain that.
Why not?
So now is the time you need to make a decision on whether you're gonna.
But I can't make an informed decision unless I know like all the facts.
Okay.
I'm really not trying to be difficult. I really want to make an informed decision, but I like.
Okay. Well, I have to.
Okay,
Time is of the essence here. So
what's the timing? What's happening? Okay.
this thing's gonna time out eventually. So
No, I'm saying so. If I, but I don't want to be. I want to understand before I just.
So I read all this to you.
I understand that, but I have questions about it.
I'm not.
And I said, you said I
asking
couldn't call a
questions.
lawyer, so I can't call a lawyer. So if you can't answer
Not
the
at this
questions,
time,
I need
no.
someone to call me. I need, well, sir, if you can't answer the questions, who can? You want me to say yes to something, but I
So
have questions.
so you can provide the samples that I'm requesting, and your license will be suspended for a minimum of 6 months. If you do not, if you refuse, then it will be suspended for a minimum of 12 months. So it's on this piece of paper.
I understand. So right now, if I say no, 12 months. If I say yes, 6 months.
That's minimum.
And
of
I
6
can't call a
months,
lawyer
minimum
right
of
now
12
to
months.
figure out actually what's happening.
Correct.
I can't call a lawyer. I don't have the ability to call a lawyer right now.
Correct.
I have to make an informed decision without having any legal advice.
Correct. It's implied consent in Illinois. If you're going to drive on Illinois roadways, it's implied
I can't
consent
call a lawyer.
that you're going to provide these samples.
And I can't call a lawyer?
When you have a driver's license through the state of Illinois,
Yes.
there's a thing called implied consent.
I get that. But you're saying me I can't call a lawyer to figure out?
Not at this time, no.
Well, I'm gonna say no because I can't figure out what I'm saying yes to.
Okay, well, I'm going to leave this here.
And what I do, just blow in it if I say yes? I'm confused. Like,
Yeah,
it's I have a
take
lot of
deep
questions,
breath in.
sir.
You're going to take a deep breath in, and you're going to blow out like you're blowing up a balloon until I tell you to stop.
Okay. But you're telling me whether I do that or not, my license is suspended. So I kind of want to reach out to legal advice to see, because if I blow in there, it's just like, you know?
You don't have. Okay, well, it's too late now.
Okay. I'm so sorry about that.
So
But I don't know. I want to know what I'm signing.
it will be marked as a refusal. So
Well, I didn't refuse, but I
you
understand.
did because you didn't provide the same.
I have questions. You're telling me to sign something, but you're saying I can't seek out and see what I'm doing. So I understand you have to. I know you have a process. I'm not refusing. I have questions, and I'm not able to ask those questions. So if you're gonna refuse it, that's on you. But I did not refuse.
All right. So are you going to refuse blood and urine at the hospital, or?
I want to reach out. I'm not trying to be difficult, but your question, I'm not
I
getting
just need a
answers.
simple yes or no.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Because you're not calling a lawyer for this.
Why not? Why can't I
Because
call
you're not.
anything?
You don't have that ability at this time.
I don't have the ability to call a lawyer?
Correct.
So I have to just make a decision by myself?
Yes.
That's legal? I can't call anyone?
No.
I don't understand what you're saying. You're saying regardless if I'm going to be...
For the purposes of this, you are not entitled to talk to a lawyer right now.
I don't feel comfortable signing anything without legal counsel. I don't. I don't want to sign anything without legal counsel. And I don't understand what you told me multiple times, and I appreciate you explaining it. But the idea that it's 6 or 12 months, and I'm being forced 6 or 12 months, and I don't even know what 6 or 12 months when I didn't like.
Yeah, I mean, so right now it's 12 months.
Okay, so you're saying like, so you're telling me 6 or 12 months, like you.
Yeah, so if you provided the breath sample, which you already refused,
It would be silly. Well, I didn't refuse, but it was
you
just a misunderstanding.
you didn't provide the sample, so it's a refusal. It's very simple.
I asked for legal counsel and I asked for more understanding.
You're not
Entitled to legal
entitled to
counsel.
that
I
at
hear
this
you.
time.
That's what you said. I hear you.
So we're past that. So
Okay.
if we go to the hospital, you're going to provide blood and urine as requested.
I don't feel comfortable signing anything without talking
Take
to
that
you.
as a no.
So I still can't call a lawyer?
No, this time.
Okay. I want to be amendable.
We're gonna be finished with this portion of it. So
Can I ask you a question? Like, I really want to be amendable, and I'm just trying to figure out like the best thing to do in this situation. And I know you're saying I don't have legal counsel. I get that. You're asking me to go get a needle and like have somebody stick me with a needle.
Mhm.
Oh, I'm yeah. If it's forced, then I'll do it. But if you're telling me I can't talk to a lawyer and figure out what's going on, I need to like.
okay, so we're gonna be done with this portion of it. Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna read you your Miranda rights. So you have the right to remain silent.
So can
Anything
I
you say
do
can
the
and will be-
breathalyzer now or what?
So
Like,
you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Decide any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. You
so
understand
now
those?
I'm being arrested.
Do you understand those?
Am I being arrested now or was I already arrested?
You were already arrested.
So what's going on now?
So I just read you these rights. Do you understand them?
Yeah, but I thought I was arrested back then.
You were.
I'm just not getting my Miranda.
Correct.
So what's
Because
going on now?
Do you understand these rights, yes or no?
I'm trying to. Because you said I was arrested the first time.
Correct. I haven't asked you any incriminating questions up until now.
We
reading
did a whole
these-
30 minutes of talking. We talked for a while.
Okay. When? Do you understand these rights?
I'm trying
Do you
to.
need me to read them again? I thought you were a lawyer.
I am.
Okay, so.
I'm trying to
Do you need
understand.
me to read you your rights again?
I understand the words that you spoke, but I thought I was arrested the first time when I was brought here. So am I being arrested now for the first time?
No, you were arrested when I put you in handcuffs and put you in the back of my car.
And then we had conversations, and now I'm being married.
I didn't ask you any incriminating
You
questions.
didn't ask me any incriminating questions?
No.
Okay. So now you mean
So
my
now I'm wanting to ask you some questions. So do you understand your rights?
but you already arrested me, sir.
Correct, but I haven't asked you any questions. I don't have
You
to read
did.
your Miranda until.
You asked me many questions.
No.
That's why I said I wanted to talk to a lawyer because
Not when you were under arrest.
you said I was arrested when you first placed me in handcuffs, sir.
Yeah, I didn't ask you any questions after that.
You did.
No, I didn't.
Just that camera's on, right?
It is.
So you can run that back and see that you asked me questions, right?
I didn't ask you incriminating questions. What did you tell me? What did I ask you that was incriminating? You tell me.
So now I'm being arrested,
You've been arrested for about 45 minutes now.
and you didn't ask me any questions.
I didn't ask you any incriminating questions. So now I'm wanting to ask you questions about all of this.
And now I think I need a lawyer.
Okay,
I need a lawyer.
fair enough. I won't ask you any questions.
Thank you.
Alright, so you're gonna get copies of all this stuff. Your license is being taken. You can
When's
keep
the
this one.
ID?
You can keep the ID,
Okay.
but the driver's license is being taken.
Gotcha. So what's the next step of the process? Do I call my lawyer now?
We're probably going to jail.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, what? I don't know what you need. Like, I don't know. So I'm arrested now? Is it bad for me to ask questions?
We can't discuss this anymore because you don't want to talk to me without a lawyer.
I do want to talk to you, but I really do want to talk to you. You don't answer anything. So I'm confused on what I'm actually supposed to be doing. Like, don't mind. I just don't want the needle. I could, like. Okay.
Alright. Here's what we're gonna do. Back out to the car.
The question is over now.
I'm not quite.
Sir, can we? I really want to be, like, I want to do what you want me to do, but I have questions. So if my, just have questions. Can't just ask some questions. Can you do everything else but the needle?
You really refused it. So no.
Okay. Right.
Can you do my door for me? Alright.
Just go in?
Yep. I'm gonna try to just cut her on her tickets so I can get out of here quicker. You have somebody you can call.
Yes, my mom. Right now. I can call my mom right now. She would come pick me up right now.
What's that?
My mom.
Okay.
My grandma.
So
My big brother.
So listen. Chill out. You can get somebody here to give you a ride home. I will release you on your tickets.
Okay.
You're still being charged with DUI.
What does that mean?
It means that you're being charged with a crime. You're just not going to go to jail tonight. So we all have a court date. Everything that we talked about is still going to be in effect. You're just not going to go to jail right now.
I'm gonna cry.
So.
Okay, let me just be happy that I'm not going to jail, but why? Why do I have that? Why do I have that? Okay, I'm sorry. Calm down. I'm so sorry. Let me just call my mom.
So look at that.
But she's texting me right now.
Can I?
She's gonna hate me.
What's your passcode?
I can put it in. Let's call her. It's the first one. She's up there. She's gonna freaking hate me. I gotta come back to court. I gotta come to court.
Yep.
I gotta go to court. You gotta go to court. Mom. Calm down.
Huh?
Mom,
What?
I need you to come pick me up.
Okay.
I'm at the police station.
Yep, okay. Alright.
You're on speakerphone. The police is here. He said you just need to come get me.
Okay.
You know what it said?
Havana? Champagne? Havana, right?
Mm-hmm.
Champagne.
The one under the viaduct.
Champagne, please.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Can I ask you? I can't ask you questions about the court
What
date.
would you like to ask me? I will
Just trying to
explain.
figure out
I'll
like
explain
what.
that to you all.
You gonna tell her too? Can you tell her too?
What's that?
Can you tell my mom too?
Sure.
No, like
If I
what?
see her.
You know what am I doing?
Once I get you these tickets, I'm gonna put you in the lobby of her police station until she gets here.
And then what? You gonna talk to her too, right? You gonna tell her?
Not necessarily.
What do I need to tell her? Like I don't even know what to tell. Like what? I don't even know what to tell
You got
her.
arrested for DUI.
Okay. Okay. Shouldn't even took the Benadryl. You fucking Benadryl. You know you ain't do nothing. Don't freak out. Freak out when you know you ain't do nothing. Don't freak out. I shouldn't even came home. I don't even like coming here. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. I'm freaking out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Ass cat. Stupid ass cat. Stupid ass. Really ass dumb ass cat. I know I'm allergic. Where did I go? Why did I go over there? I should know it. The fucking stupid ass dumb ass cat. I can't believe I'm interrupt you. I don't know what the calm down. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Blessings. You said he was gonna take you into the jail. That's a blessing. That's a blessing. Yep, that's a blessing. Look at the silver lining. It's a blessing, right? That's a blessing. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. You're gonna suck these fucking tears up, bitch. Suck them up. 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 Just breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, fucking my hyperventilating. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Breathe. I can't 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 breathe. I'm okay. I'm okay. I promise I'm okay. You can close it.
Okay. I'm about to get you out and get you out of those cuffs, okay?
Okay, I just had 3 back here. I feel like I can't breathe.
What's that?
I just had 3 panic attacks. But it's okay. No, baby, can you just roll down the window a little bit?
I'm about to get you out of the car altogether.
Okay.
You need to call your mom and see where she's at? See if she's here.
I'm on my way.
Okay. Okay.
Alright. One step out for me. Okay, let me explain these to you, okay? You're getting 3 tickets, okay? First one's for impeding traffic, because when you set through the 4 or 5 cycles of the green arrow, you're impeding traffic.
Okay.
Okay, does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Alright, your second one is DUI. Okay, so for these you have a mandatory court date. It's June 16th at 9 a.m. in the courthouse in Atlanta.
Well, what do I do?
Okay.
You just show up?
Yep. 9 a.m. Courtroom L, courthouse in Atlanta. Okay. And you're getting a 3rd citation for illegal transportation of liquor in your vehicle. Is that purple bottle that you had right there in front of my seat?
Do you know how many people get it? It's not even. Okay.
Had alcohol in it. And it's cold. Okay. So, alright. So those are your 3 tickets. This was that long thing I read to you. You're going to get a copy of this. Okay. So do you remember when I read that to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I just need you to sign right here saying that I read that to you.
Miranda.
No, this doesn't have anything to do with Miranda. It's a big long thing I read to you about your license being suspended, all that, requesting tests.
Yes. So yes, sir. I really don't want to.
So
I
you're
don't
about
want to
to-
make you mad, but
So you're about to get a copy of this.
yes, sir.
All this is saying is that I read this to you.
Okay. So, I'm signing it saying that you read this to me.
Correct.
That's all?
Yes. It's not admitting guilt. It says, I, motorist, acknowledge receipt of this warning to motorists.
Okay.
Okay.
You mind if I just read it once over? I promise I'm not trying to make you mad. I know this is a lot. I really do apologize.
You're gonna, like I said, you're gonna get your own copy of that.
Okay. So this is just saying that you told this to me?
Correct. It's all this is saying. Right there is what, right above the signature line there, and follow your sign. So, yeah, see that?
I know, I'm just, this is the thing that's confusing me. This is the thing I have first had questions about, but I guess it's too late, but.
I mean, it doesn't change anything.
I know, I do saying, but these are the two things that I had questions about, so that's why I didn't say yes, because I still have questions about it, but I guess I'll just sign.
You don't have to sign.
I don't have to sign?
I'm gonna put refuse today, but
That's what I'm saying.
that's not, if you don't, whether you sign it or you don't, it's not gonna count against you. You don't have to sign it.
Am I not supposed to sign it?
You know, you're supposed to sign it, but if you don't want to, it's not gonna be.
And I still can call a lawyer.
You can call it now.
Can I wait till my mom get here?
This is really, I mean, like I'm trying to release you.
I know, that's what I'm saying. That's why I don't want to be difficult, but I just want to smile, sir. I promise I'm not trying to be difficult. I just have a.
It's pretty simple. You just need to make a decision whether you want to sign it or not. I really don't care if you do. It's not matter to me. It's not.
If I don't sign this, I won't be released.
This doesn't count against no. You're still going to be released. It doesn't count against you if you don't sign it. So if you don't want to sign it, you don't sign it.
Am I going to get in trouble if I don't sign it? What would the judge say if I don't sign it?
I don't know.
I don't want to get in trouble. Okay, let me just read it again. I know I know you probably hate me. I'm just,
Okay.
I just really want to know what's like.
I think you're a fine person.
I want to sign it, but I don't want to get in trouble for not signing it. But I don't want to sign it, and then I get in trouble for signing it.
You're not going to get in trouble either way. Promise you.
So can I just not sign it, and you won't be mad? When I go to am I gonna go to jail if I don't sign it?
I'll walk away from here tonight.
What is gonna happen if I don't sign it right now?
Nothing. I told you, I don't care if you sign it.
Will you get in trouble?
No. You're not the first person to not sign that for me, and you won't be the last.
I'm so sorry. I don't want to sign it.
Okay.
Don't hate me. I'm sorry. I don't think I can sign it. 'Cause I don't understand it.
Fine.
Am I gonna go to jail if I don't sign it?
No.
I just sign it.
So the last thing I need to explain to you, okay? Here's your copies of these tickets, okay? Last thing I need to explain to you, this is the law enforcement sworn report, okay?
See, there's more stuff coming. I shouldn't just sign this.
Yeah, so suspension/revocation is going to take effect on the 46th day following issuance of this notice. So your license is still going to be valid for the next 45 days. And on the 46th day, your license is going to be suspended. So it's not suspended right now, but it's going to be. Subsequent to an arrest for violating Section 11-501 of the Illinois Vehicle Code or similar provision of a local ordinance or Section 11-401 of the Illinois Vehicle Code, you are hereby notified that on the date shown above, you are asked to submit to a chemical test or tests to determine the alcohol, other drugs, or intoxicating compounds, or any combination thereof, content of your breath, blood, urine, or other bodily substance, and warned of the consequences pursuant to Section 11-501.1 of the Illinois Vehicle Code. You have the right to a hearing to contest your suspension/revocation. Let's file a petition to rescind your suspension/revocation within 90 days of this notice. Because you refuse to submit or fail to complete testing, your driving privileges will be suspended for a minimum of 12 months.
Automatically,
Okay.
not even going to the judge.
This
The judge's not gonna figure this out.
this is your receipt to drive. Okay, so
Wait,
for the next 45 days, you can carry this with you in addition to your state ID, but this is what's going to be your driver's license for the next 45 days.
Okay. Okay, can I understand what... Okay, so...
So this license suspension is simple.
Not criminal?
This is not criminal. DUI is criminal.
Oh, I got a criminal... Wait!
Yeah. So it's a lot, I understand. But this is
I
not.
thought I would be able to go to the... Like, how is this all happening with... How?
There's that for you as well.
How could it just all just happen? So when crazy happening, it happens like that. It's really okay.
Here's your copy of that.
Thank you. You also have my purse? You also have my purse? I have it in the car.
Yes, it is. Here's your purse. Finally, your car was towed. It went to Don's Towing on Harris. You know where that's at?
I can figure it out.
Harris between Bradley and Bloomington. Okay. There's your copy of that.
Thank you.
So before you go and do that, well, you can't go and get it out until 12 hours after it was towed, so like 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay.
All right. So before you do that, you need to come here and pay the impound fee at the police department, which is $250.
Okay.
And then you can go to Tom's and go and get the car.
Okay.
Okay? Does that make sense?
Yep.
There's those for you. There's that.
Not even mine, but thank you.
Okay. That's also for you.
Thank you.
All that's for you.
Thank you.
Okay. Your mom is here.
Thank you.
Help. So you can walk this way to the parking lot if you like.
Thank you.
And you're free to go.
Thank you. That way?
Well, would you like me to come with you, or?
It's okay.
Okay.
The 32-year-old was charged with DUI, illegal parking, and illegal possession of alcohol by a driver. But a month later, she appeared in court with her attorney, pled not guilty, and formally requested a jury trial. This is a constitutional right in Illinois for anyone charged with a crime that is punishable by jail time. This indicates that she and her defense are confident that the prosecution has weak evidence and that she will beat the charges. The jury trial is set for January 5th, 2026.